So I'm looking at Tesla sell again under 167. That's the only thing I'm looking at right now. Tesla's getting rejected around 169. Tesla kind of popped here. There we go. Further drop. Let's have a look at Apple. Could see a key level on Apple here. Well, actually no. 147. Nothing on Meta. Let me take a starter on Tesla here, riding on the downside. But let's have a look at SPY. Ooh. SPY doesn't look too bad compared to NQ. Could see a bounce here on NQ. Nope, it ain't bouncing here. Next level would be around here. Nope, it's still dropping. Okay. Nvidia starting to drop here. NQ is bouncing from here. I'm taking that out. The proper level to enter at would be here, 167. Tesla looks good here. 167 and I'm in. I'm in. Oh my days. It just broke and it's dropping even more. That's what I'm talking about, Tesla, come on. NQ died with it. Could see a reversal here, so tight stop loss. Nvidia is still looking weak here. Same goes with Tesla. Looking to get out. Yeah, it's a strong ball here. There we go. Wow, I'm out. That was a huge drop. It's dropping even more. Huge drop right there. Unbelievable. 138. That was so perfect, man. Holy shit. Guys, if you'd like to see more of these day trading videos, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. What I do is scalp trading on a breakout as just witnessed, with Tesla on the downside. So I entered at 167.50 and waited it out, saw the momentum. It dropped heavily right around here, I sold down here. That's like 15 minutes into the market open. Dangerous.